VEVOR sent me this screw and bolt extractor kit and asked me to give my opinion on it, make this short video. So let's check it out. They're going to give you a pretty basic instruction manual. It covers all these different models, so it's pretty generic. Essentially, you're talking about tools like this that extract a nut, these here that extract screws or bolts that are maybe the head's broken off and it's stuck in an engine block or something like that. You're going to basically drill a hole in the center and then use the appropriate size bit here with your power tools to get it off. And that's really how it works. And they explain that here that, hey, if you've got a broken nut, you can drill through it, put their extractor in, and then pry it out. Because the way these work, they're reverse threaded. So as you're trying to reverse the stuck screw or bolt, it's actually digging deeper inside the bolt to help you. So it's pretty ingenious how they work. So here's everything you're going to get in the kit. This one's very comprehensive yet compact. That's what I liked about it. So you've got the drills that you need to drill into the impacted bolt. And then you've got all these extractors here. These are quite small at the top. And then these are also in the small size. And these are all the threaded screws that go in. Then down here for extracting the nut that's off of a stripped nut or the head of a stripped bolt, you can use these. That curvature there allows it to really grab a hold of the bolt top as you're turning it tighter and tighter. So you turn it to unloose it, this gets tighter and tighter around that nut or that bolt. And then these here as well, you drill in to the center there, and then you're going to take this, and this is reverse threaded. So as I'm trying to extract that bolt there, this is getting deeper into it, and it's just digging and digging, and that's going to pull that out. So I really like this kit. It's got everything that you need to get started, and they give you a couple adapters. So you've got a small, tiny adapter here that takes it up to about a 1/4 inch drive, and then you've got the standard hex head 1/4 inch here for your impact drivers, and then they even give you an adapter here to go to a 1/2 inch, because all of these are set at 3/8, so you can go take it up to a 1/2 inch. Overall, really great kit, super compact. I'll show you how small this is. It's only 9.5 inches across and 6 1/4 on the width. So very, very compact, easy to throw this together in your toolkit or bag or the back of your truck. And if you ever have a bolt that gets stuck, you got a way to get it out. Hope that helps. Have a great day.